This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to do a walkthrough of an Edabit Python challenge called Buggy Code. And in this challenge they want you to look through some code and fix it. So what it's intended to do is Emmy has written a function that returns a greeting to users. However, she's in love with Mubashir and would like to greet him slightly differently. She added a special case in her function, but she made a mistake. Can you help her? And so this is what the input looks like and the output expected. So everybody's name is just hello plus their name, except for if it's Mubashir, it's supposed to say hello my love. So let's look in the code. And when you look at it right away, you don't notice anything super wrong with the syntax or any misspellings or whatnot. But what you do notice is a little bit of a logical error, because say you have Bob, and so you enter Bob, and it'll say hello plus Bob. Well, if you enter Mubashir, it'll just say hello plus Mubashir. It won't go to this next part because that's the code follows, order by or sequence. I'm saying this all wrong. It follows it sequentially, and so it will never get to this part right here. So what you need to do is I'm going to Control X this, or Command X on my Mac, and I'm going to, so I can save it, because there was nothing wrong with that code. I just need to reorder things so that things make sense logically and sequentially. So this is going to turn from an if, just a plain old if statement, to an if else. So if it's Bob's name, it's going to say if name equals Bob. Well, it's not going to equal Mubashir, so it's going to skip over this and go to this next one, which is just return hello plus name. But if the name happens to be Mubashir, then it will say the correct words. So this wasn't so much about finding a misspelling or finding an incorrect symbol or syntax. It was just a logical error this time. So I'll check through, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work. So on this one, with the Buggy Code, it should have just been if and then else. It was just making sure things were in the correct place. And as you see, the test passed. So that is how you do the Edabit Python challenge Buggy Code 4.